how to set spelling correction to Samsung keyboard Gboard spell checker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down to End. Here, showing you spelling correction. After click on spelling correction, and here showing you default spell checker. After click on default spell checker, you will see two options is showing here, Samsung keyboard, and second option is Gboard spell checker. So if you want to select Samsung keyboard, click on Samsung keyboard. If you want to select Gboard spell checker, click on keyboard spell checker. After selecting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set spell check correction to Samsung keyboard, Gboard spell checker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.